To install Claude in your laptop or your desktop, just open Claude in your choice of browser. So right now I am on Chrome and I can switch to Edge or Firefox. It's the same. If you are on Chrome, you will see this icon here with the PC, and if you hover over it, it will say install Claude. If you are on Edge, you will see this that says app available, install Claude. So you can just click on this if you're on Edge or Firefox or any other browser, or just click on this if you're on Chrome, and it will ask you to install app. I'll install from Edge because this is where I'm logged in. Once you've installed the Claude app, it will automatically open in your window, and since this is taken from Edge, you can directly browse your previous chats or write a new message here and it will work. Now if you want to add this to desktop, you can just press your Windows key and type Claude, and you will see this is available as an app. You can just click on pin to start, pin to taskbar, or you can right click on this and click on uninstall to uninstall this, or you can just click on pin to taskbar to just have it pinned to your taskbar and easily access this from your taskbar. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.